What?
I came here to have a nice Pakistani toppee.
그렇구나. 거울 있어. 이건 좀 안 되겠다.
Thanks.
Bohemian family, we are in the Buns Road, the street food heaven of Karachi. Assalamu alaikum. Oh.
He's making lassi in a traditional way with wooden blender.
Oh. Wow. It's lassi.
Lassi.
Uh-huh. Oh, it's like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Better than machine.
Yeah.
One lassi, please.
He puts malay, which is clotted cream, on the top of lassi.
Bismillah.
The soft, sweet malay opened my appetite before drinking lassi.
이게 진짜 las시구나. Wow.
It's very creamy and refreshing at the same time.
Wow. If you come to Buns Road, you have to try this lassi. Assalamu alaikum. Or chicken. Chicken saji. Ah, chicken saji. Oh. Wow. Chicken with yogurt.
ये मलाई
Malay.
हाँ
Wow.
The whole street covered by super yummy barbecue smells. They are preparing chicken tikka, an amazing Pakistani karahi.
Mutton karai.
मटन कढ़ाई
Wow. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम
Kidney. Oh. Brain. Okay.
हार्ट
Oh, heart.
मुंह बंद कर गटागट में आवाज माना करिए
Oh. It's a ghee.
यस
Okay.
अपडेट भी दे दिया तो
Oh.
The rhythmical kataka sound makes me excited.
वेयर आर यू
Korea.
कोरिया
Yes.
कोरिया चलेगा हम भी चलेगा
Yalla, chalo bhai, chalo.
चलो चलो भाई चलो
Watching the live cooking show is one of the charms of street food.
Kataka special. You are Kataka master.
Yes, yes. You are try.
Thank you. Okay, chapati. 와. 짜파티 되게 얇아서 좋아. Brain, kidney, and heart.
Kidney and bread mix.
오. 비스밀라.
It's incredibly tasty.
와, 정말 맛있게 잘 만든다. 하나도 질기지 않고 부드럽고 심장이 쫄깃쫄깃한 거랑 아주 부드러운 브레인이랑 같이 섞여서 진짜 환상의 맛이야, 환상의 맛. 와.